Jace Tunnell here with the Mission Aransas National Estuarine Research Reserve at the University of Texas Marine Science Institute. Today we're going to be talking to you about the Texas State shell. So you've probably heard of lightning whelks, right? Well, these are a snail. They feed a couple of different ways, but they can feed on other clams and things like that. They have something called a radula that they can drill into other snails and then eat the meat out. The other way is they can use the sharp edge of their shell here to break open clams and then eat them that way. But there's probably something you didn't know, and that you probably thought it was an old snake skin or something if you've seen it on the beach. But you didn't realize that this was related to this. And this is actually the egg casing from a lightning whelk. And so what you would see if you were in the ocean and a lightning whelk was laying its egg casing, it actually attaches this end on the ground, and then it just kind of floats around you know, in the ocean bottom like that. Then when the babies are born, they pop through these little pods in here and then go on their way and start their life. And you can see there's holes in these, so some have already popped out of here. Now this one's dead. It got detached. We had a lot of big waves and stuff like that, so it probably got detached. Then came up here and I found it in the high tide line. These things can grow up to 33 inches long. They can have up to 200 of these little pouches that you see on here. And in each pouch, there can be up to 99 different snails in there, baby snails. Now that's pretty amazing, isn't it? So what I was gonna do, I do see some stuff in here. Now, since this was pushed up to the high tide line, dried out, you know, these are already dead. But I was gonna see if we could see what these look like. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. So what I'm putting in my hand here, I'm gonna show you. They look exactly like the adult. Let's see if you can see. Let me pick this up. And the wind's blowing them around. But you see all these little snails? They look just like the adult. Little bitty things. You put them right there next to the adult. Little bitty. Here, this probably gives you a better idea too. But you can see the hole there. See the little pouches, and then where it would be connected, you know, to the sea floor down there. So. Okay, well, thought that was real interesting. You know, they find these not only here along the Texas and stuff like that, but I mean also in Florida they find them. So this isn't just something from Texas. So if you ever travel around, or maybe you're from Florida, you probably see them there too. Okay, that's it for this episode, talking about lightning whelks. We'll talk to you later. Bye.